The Pennsylvania Dream Team is an innovative career awareness program,
allowing young professionals in STEM careers to visit students.
Mack trucks,
lightweight manufacturing,
Bosch Rexroth,
air products, Victaulic,
PPL electric utilities,
Lehigh Valley Plastics.
We share our experiences about our jobs, companies, and educational choices.
Since its inception, the Dream Team has visited with nearly 4,000 middle and high school students.
We share our passion about job opportunities available in manufacturing.
In Pennsylvania, manufacturing accounts for 500,000 jobs,
and salaries 13.4% higher than the average worker.
Dream Team members visit classrooms with high-impact interactive presentations
to excite students about the world of manufacturing.
Not only is the program great for students,
Dream Team members receive professional development in leadership and communications, making them even more valuable to their employers.
Developed by MRC
and funded by the Bosch Community Fund, Dream Teamers are at high demand.
Each year the team grows,
the request for educators multiplies,
and the impact expands.
Find out more at padreamteam.com.